Hey guys, Monday, March the 18th of 2024. Let's check out Nat Gas. Things are looking good. Come on now. Come on now. Do I sound southern? Oh man. Nashville accent just kicked me. It just kicked in. It just kicked in. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. A nice little volume, not volume, but at least price action going higher. We need to take out at least this anchored VWAP and close above it at $1.78. You got the point of control. Let's open this up. What am I doing here? You got the point of control within 3 months of the market profile at $1.83. So this is where the line in the sand is here. We got the anchored VWAP. So we need to close above all these to have a fighting chance to test 201. Got a value, is that a value area low? Let's see. Yeah, it's a value area low here. So this is the target. This is right here is the target. So let's see how we do volume wise and all that good stuff. Let's look at our simple glance. Excuse me. MACD has been positive. We're just inside a weekly candle, and you see that we're going to battle the 20 SMA on the daily. And guess what? We got a MACD buy signal. So that's looking good. Instead of being negative or going below zero, it's positive. No PPS buy signal yet, but we're in the mobile bands. We need to at least clear out, if you're, less risky, clear out at least $1.85. But if you're risky, you're already inside the mobile bands. So you need to at least get above the 20 SMA, which is $1.77. You could clear this out. You have a fighting chance to at least get to $2. So this is now the actual range. It's official. $2 and $1.64 right now. But so far it's looking good. Let's look at our Andrew's pitchfork. You see, we've got in above this level, so we got this nice move up. This is the next one. I want to see if we could, at least close above it. If we could get to close above that one, I'll just leave one, which will probably be this one. But so far, I'll leave them together there, and I guess your targets would be here and here. And looking at the Gann grid on the 4-hour. I gotta tell you, the Gann grid worked out really great. From the first impulse wave, I learned this technique from MSJ, so I gotta give credit where credit is due. MSJ taught me this technique, and he's, I'm from the school of Gann, so there are students, and then there's teachers, and then there's people that really go deep, and he's probably one of them. He's like the Yoda or Obi-Wan Kenobi. So he has a lot of information, a lot of experience. He's been trading for a long time, so he has a lot of knowledge. And so far, you can see that this worked out well. Now we just got to climb up and close above $1.79 and get above this 1x2, this is 1x3, and start, going back and forth at least to kiss this high. Let's go into the simple glance chart. As you can see, this is going to be resistance, $1.76. We could get above there. It's $1.84. That'd be great. Keep an eye out for March the 22nd. That's the half-foot waypoint from February the 20th. And on the weekly, you're already above $1.74. So it looks like you could get to $1.84. And if it continues chucking along for the week, $1.94 would be nice. Get to the April 14 low. But if we could hold at least $1.75 and just kind of, grind slightly higher, that's good too. On the day for today, we are above $1.71, so that's looking good, and above the VWAP. And statistically, the calendar is today is bullish. So let's see how price action opens up on the U.S. session. But so far, as we could stay above 171 VWAP, even if it comes down to test it, and then it gets right back above, it could probably play out. We just got to see how it's going to play out. Let's see the Gann square, 176 high. So we hit our zero line. So this is going to be a little area to fight. 176, 177, 178. It's a lot of things happening here. But if we could break through, your target would be 183. On the square of 9, you got 181 and 184. So This is the sweet spot right here. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.